guys, once again for the past week, Robinhood had hit some new all-time low. Again this morning, guys, down 4.8% on Robinhood Markets, which, guys, it actually made it under $18. It made it to $17.90. If you look at 11.50, 11.40, right around that range, $17.89. Guys, it's at the lowest. I actually happened to buy Robinhood yesterday, guys. I bought it back at $18.58. It's below that mark. I can't believe it's actually below that mark now. Yep. And I was going to put more money on it this morning. I almost put more. If I had more money, I would put more money on it. But I can't. I can't really. And guys, things are about to shift. Things are about to change today. Today, we have the Fed is going to make some changes. They're going to... And we're all going to know this today. We should know this today at the end of the day or tomorrow at the latest. But what's going to happen, guys, is they're going to speed up tapering to about 30 billion. That's what's expected. And actually, everything shouldn't be... I think the reaction of the market is... The market already reacted to this upcoming meeting today. That's what I really think. And I hope that once the meeting happens... And I don't think Jerome Powell is going to say anything too dramatic. I think it's just what everyone is expecting right now, and it's about time that it happens. We need to stop diluting money so much. We can't keep producing money like that. You see it through real estate. It can't keep going like this. It's not sustainable. Inflation, they're finally going to start. They're no longer going to say that inflation is transitory. So that's going to be a big deal. That word, guys, is important. Transitory. The inflation is no longer called transitory. It's there. Hopefully we're at the peak of it really soon. That's what I'm really hoping, is that we're at the peak of inflation really soon. That we hit that peak. Maybe it was this month, the peak of inflation. Maybe it'll happen next month. That's what I'm really hoping. But as long as this is what happens today, that pretty much announces that they're going to speed up tapering, but not more to 30 billion. Not over that. It can't be over that, because if it's over that, everything's going to go really bad. Really bad, and I don't think that the Fed is trying to do that. I think they already have an eye on the market. They already see how the market is reacting to all this. I don't think they're trying to make everything completely crash, because we would have a big problem. Yes. Now, this being said, if this is what is announced by Jerome Powell today, in 2-3 months from now, we need to see a difference, because otherwise it's going to be bad. If the market doesn't come back up a little bit, it's going to be bad. So, which also means, guys, that inflation is going to rise. That's what's going to be expected. And guys, if they speed up tapering, what's going to happen, guys, if they speed up tapering to about 30 billion, we're going to start seeing interest rate 3 months after that go up, pretty much. So if they announce this today, we should see interest rate start rising around February and March, which would mean right before taxes. So we'll see what happens, but I could see like a little bounce back up. Hopefully after today, guys, after this announcement, it calms things down. That's what I'm really hoping, that it calms things down and then we start seeing prices go back up a little bit, because this is just so low, guys. I mean, look at in a month, Robinhood lost 46%, 3 months 54%. It's just everything's down, guys. It's not just Robinhood. I'm taking Robinhood as an example, but DocuSign is a very good example too. It's at 145. A year ago, it lost 36%. 3 months ago, it lost 45%, half of its value. Twitter, 3 months, lost 30%. Everything's just so bad, guys. Everything is bad. Cryptos are not doing good at all either. Yesterday, guys, there was a hack. Something happened with crypto, guys. There's a glitch. Some people saw their portfolio, guys, for a minute, owning trillions, including me, guys. I didn't happen to log in at that moment, but all of a sudden I saw it was on crypto.com. That percentage that I had was like, I made 3.2 trillion in percent. Wish I could have sold at that moment, but I didn't see it, and it was just a glitch, guys. It was a glitch, which is really bad for crypto. Really bad. And you guys see, man, everything's been going down. Everything's down, man. Bitcoin is currently trading at 47. It hit 46 this morning. Dogecoin it peaked up as soon as Elon Musk said he was going to accept it for some of Tesla's merch, not all the merch. He didn't say all the merch, and he did not say that Tesla was accepting Dogecoin, but for merch they would. And ever since, it's just going back down. It actually hit even 17 cents this morning. It bounced back up after that, but we're at 17 cents, 17.4. Ethereum 3,700. That's not good for Ethereum. It hit 3,600. Whoever bought it there, man, good job. Whoever bought that dip, good job. But I'm keeping an eye, guys. I'm keeping a really, really close eye right now on Robinhood. So anyone that has anything to say on Robinhood, please put it down in the comment, because that would be helpful. I'm currently owning 114 shares. I was thinking about dropping a couple more $100. If I can see this drop back down around $18, that's what I'm going to try to make it happen. Try to make it happen. I'm sure I can find a couple $100 somewhere. Guys, rough, man. Let's keep an eye today, guys. The meeting of the Fed is today. This is what we need to look for. Okay, it's gonna happen today. Reaction will probably happen tomorrow on the market at opening. Probably. Whoop, my bad. I had a sneeze, and I'm not supposed to hold a sneeze. You can't hold a sneeze. It's not a good idea to hold a sneeze. But anyways, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We did hit 900 subscribers, so thank you to all 900 people that has subscribed. And guys, happy investing. Stay safe. And I'm really thinking, guys, that right now, with all the market crashing, buy things that you really think that are on a dip, that are a good buying price. It's like Black Friday for stocks, kinda, but there are stocks that you see a long-term potential. Now's the time to position yourself in like places like Google, that it was too high, way too high to get into Google. Now would be a good time, guys. A lot of stocks at Robinhood, $18. If you're going long term, you can't go wrong with that. If you're seeing long term, even things like Coinbase is at a pretty good buying price right now. It crashed so much, it's down. I say under 250. Coinbase is at a buying price if you're going long term. Let's look at even Tesla, guys. Tesla. Elon Musk has been selling a lot of his. Right now, might be a good idea to buy Tesla under $1,000. It might be a good idea. If you're going long term, guys, these are opportunities. Now, if you're investing for a month or two, and I always say, guys, when you buy stocks, it's important to know what your goal is when it comes down to selling that stock. Are you going long term? Are you investing your money for 3 months? Are you investing your money for 6 months, a year? It makes a big difference on where you should put your money at that moment. But right now, guys, I really think that for anything that's long term, big companies, guys, buy the dip on big companies. Things like Google, the big boys. Things where you cannot go wrong, really. Alright, guys, I'm out. Subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow will be interesting. Let's keep an eye on that market. Happy investing, guys. Booyah.